the principal by the name Betta Mutuku Kavoi, in her status phone, she had put the National Examination Mathematics Paper 2, which was starting this morning. The report reached us. This morning we have come to Kaseve, and we have confirmed, yes, Mr. Betta Mutuku, the principal, has told us that he doesn't know who put the exam in her status. We are just going to handle her phone to the Cybercrime DCI headquarters so that we can know where the exam originated from. Otherwise, so far, we do not know the originating point of the examination to her phone. But she has confirmed to us that, yes, it is true, it was there. She has confirmed to us she was just alerted by the intelligence people that her status has got to the national examination. We are commencing our investigations, and we shall, if we find out that she is the one who put it herself, she will just face the law.